Hey guys, it's Erica Stone, and today I want to talk about how you can embed YouTube Shorts videos into your WordPress post. And why might you want to do that? Well, I can think of some reasons I would want to do that. One reason is that short videos can impart valuable information very quickly. So rather than take a bunch of time, you might want to embed some important point in your WordPress post very quickly, visually, or with moving video, because that's attention getting and it's easy for your reader to digest. I can also see using it in my product review posts, where maybe I'm reviewing a vacuum cleaner and I want to show, I talk about how the wand works, or I'm mentioning how easy it is to maneuver around a corner, and I just want to show a short clip of that at that moment. I could very easily make a YouTube short video showing just that maneuverability and embed just that clip in my WordPress post. This is a WordPress post. I'm using Gutenberg blocks. I also have Cadence as my WordPress theme and Cadence blocks, but you can do this with any WordPress theme or builder. But here's the challenge. Let's look at a regular YouTube video. Regular YouTube long format video, it's wide, and when you look at the URL for the video, you notice that it says watch ? V equals. When you're looking at a short video on your desktop, the URL is different. It contains the word shorts and then the video unique identifier. On a long format video, you can go under the video, click the share button, and find the embed code. And you can copy that code to embed the video in your WordPress post. When you're looking at a short video and you click the share option to the right, there's no embed option. It's not there. You can copy the URL, but the URL won't work for embedding the video in your post. Even though there is a YouTube block that you can add, when you put the URL to embed for a short and try to embed it, you get an error message. Sorry, this content could not be embedded. So we're not going to use that approach anyway. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this portion of the long format in the URL, watch ? V equals, highlight it from a long form video, copy it, bring up your short video URL, highlight shorts and the slash, right click and paste in the watch ? V equals that we copied from the other video. Then hit return. And this will bring up the short video, but on the long format screen. And now if we click the share button underneath, we can get the embed code. Let's copy that. So here's the embed code. We're going to copy it. We're going to take that back to our WordPress post, and we're going to add a block. Going to add the custom HTML block, paste in our embed code. Now preview the video. It's still formatted like a long form video. It's wide, it's got blank space on the side. We can change that. Click back to HTML. We're going to change the width and the height. And we can do that. So normally a mobile video or a short video is 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels tall. That's too much for a desktop view. It makes it so you have to scroll top to bottom to watch the whole video. That's awkward. We can cut it in half though and see what that looks like. So we can say 540 width 540, change the width to 540, change the height to 960. And if we preview that, that's a little better. It's still pretty long though. So if we cut that in half again, 270 and 480. So we go back to the WordPress block, click on the HTML, change this to change the width, to 270, and the height to, what did I say? I'm not going to do the math in my head. 480. Change the height to 480. Now preview, and we've got, a viewable. We've cut off the empty sides. We've formatted it aspect-wise so it's longer than it is wide, and you could do any format in between. So I could try 405 by 720, changing the width to 405, changing the height to 720, preview, and maybe that's a decent size. The issue is now it's not centered, and so it would look funny in a post. If I save my draft and I want to look at the live view of the post, see how it's over on this side here, it's not centered, kind of looks awkward. Now we can go back to the editor, click HTML to see the code again. If we put left pointing chevron shape and the word center and the closing shape at the start of our iframe code, and then go to the end and do the chevron again and a backslash center to close the centering code, we are now centering our video, and now it should show in the center of our space. We can save the draft and preview the WordPress post, and there's the video in the center of our screen. Now, what's interesting is that when you embed a short, the text that normally was on the bottom of this short will now display at the top. So if we look at the short in its regular format, you'll see that the text was at the bottom here. See this description in the text, the words, the hashtags were all at the bottom. But in the post, that stuff has moved to the top, because in a YouTube, actually I'm not sure why it's at the top, but it's moved to the top. So just keep that in mind when you're displaying these. But it's a great way to share some information. Maybe you want to just add a little humor to a post and you found a relevant, funny short that you want to include in a website post. This is a way to do that. It's quick. It makes your post unique. It adds depth because you're not just a bunch of written text. So give it a try. I hope you like that. If so, please click the like button, and I'd love it if you subscribed for more tips in the future. Thanks.